Hey guys, today I will show you step by step how to move crypto from Binance over to Kraken. First, grab your phone, open the Kraken app and tap deposit. Now pick the coin you want to move. I'm using Ethereum. Next, you'll need to choose a network. I'm selecting Arbitrum. Kraken reminds you that the minimum deposit is a bit higher than on some exchanges. Read the note, then hit I understand. I grow it. Kraken shows a deposit address. Copy it and let's hop over to Binance. In Binance, tap assets in the lower right corner. Next, hit spot, find the same token, in my case Ethereum, and tap it. Press send, choose on chain withdraw, then paste the address you copied a moment ago. Select the same network again. I'm sticking with Arbitrum. Enter the amount and tap withdraw. Tap confirm, pass the security checks, and wait a few minutes while the blockchain does its thing. Your ETH will land in Kraken shortly. And that's it. If this guide helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and by the way, check the description for free discount links on Hyperliquid. See you in the next tutorial.